we have a little surprise here. You want to
Yep.
tell the folks what we have? That's my baby right here. Hi folks, how you doing? Sergio and Janine, thank you. Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, one of the things that we hate when we go out in the boat is to stop to get ice, and it's something that you need to do. If you go out, you need to have ice. So if you don't have it at home, you need to stop and get it.
So what we did is we gave each other, because we
Hmm.
do that a lot, we give each other something that we really need. So there was a sale. What was it? I think it was 4th of July sale. And we went ahead through Amazon. And remember, we are an affiliate associate from Amazon. So anything you buy through our links is a small commission for us at no extra cost to you. So anything you do to help the channel grow, we truly, truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
So let's show you what we have here. Okay. All right. Little scooper that came with the machine. Okay. So what we do usually, we're planning on going out. We're planning on going out this week, and what we'll do is we're going to take a head start and gather the ice. Um, we're going to take the ice from our machine, and then we'll put it in our freezer. We have a refrigerator freezer outside, so we're going to put a few bags there. We're located in Miami. On average, you're talking about $3 a bag of ice, and I think they're like 6 pounds. Maybe I'm wrong, but I believe it's that much. And it adds up. By the time we go out, we'll usually have about 4 bags of ice. So it's just this is a little savings, and at the same time, our ice right here. We got filtered water, and the truth of the matter is, it's more the convenience, right, baby?
Yep, it is absolutely.
So this is the small machine. This we paid $169, like I stated earlier, through Amazon. And this is the smaller one. This one is about 24 inches high. And our kitchen, we just finished this for 4th of July. I'm sure you guys have seen it on the other videos. If not, please take a look at the videos. You're going to be so impressed with how this came out. This is amazing. Little kitchen, outdoor kitchen barbecue station. So we decided we want to add the ice because we have the little refrigerator on the side for drinks. So we added this. We're super happy. It comes with the filter, with the scoop, and it's just a convenience of it. I went ahead and inside here, I put a little 1-inch insulation because this faces west exposure, and just to make sure that we have no issues with heat. And I also, the barbecue sits here. There is very little heat, but I went ahead and I put also paneling. As you can see, I don't want to take it out now. I also put paneling on the top. I just dropped it, but anyway, you get the point. Look, on the top, just so not worry about heat. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I'll put this back later. Oh, baby, you want to wrap it up?
Yeah. Well, now it's you cannot see it, but it's already filling with water, so it can make ice again. So it's a pretty fast process.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't remember. I think this is 40 pounds a day. It makes 40 pounds of ice per day. They have the larger one. My brother bought the larger one, and it makes 80 pounds. We're happy with that because, like I said, we usually schedule our outings, and by the time we get out there, we'll have 4 bags of ice, and we use it daily too. For when we're out here, we use it a lot, and that's enough ice for us. For $169 on sale, it might be a little bit more. It fluctuates, but I can honestly say it's been working great. It's going to be August on a few days, and we got it for July 4th, and we're super happy with it.
Yeah, yeah, we are, and we truly recommend it.
Okay, guys. So, baby, wrap it up.
Yes. Thank you always, guys, for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our channel
And like.
like, of course, and share the videos.
Take
Thank
care.
you and God bless.
God bless.